just received what I think are two of the coolest power banks you can get on the market right now. So let's go ahead and unbox these together. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Desmond and I make content about tech and travel gear, and a company called Sharge has sent me what I think are some of the best looking and best designed power banks on the market. And you may have seen these on social because I think they've been going a little bit viral. I see a ton of creators with some of these products, and I've been waiting to unbox these with you. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here we have the two products. I'm gonna start with the ICEMAG from Sharge. So you can check out the packaging here. This thing looks so cool. It's so futuristic. I'm really excited to get this thing open. So right here is the Sharge ICEMAG. This thing is a MagSafe compatible charger. You can see the MagSafe ring here, Sharge branding. This is also really nice because it's a rubberized textured finish, so it's not gonna slide off your iPhone. Now the ICEMAG looks so cool because it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, which is what this thing is based on. We've got a really nice design here. It's a 10,000 mAh portable power bank. I really enjoy that. And then right here, I'm gonna go ahead and peel that blue sticker off, and right here you can see into the device itself. That's the other nice thing I'll show you in the other power bank is Sharge does a great job of making these beautiful transparent power banks so you can see the internals. And as someone that is a huge tech lover, I love seeing the inside of how this works. And this isn't the coolest thing, so I'll flip it over to the side. Output 20 watts max. There's a little button to turn on the power bank, and let me grab my phone. And this right here is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm just gonna throw this on here. It's charging, and what's really special is you can see that there's a fan here to keep the battery cool, but it is a multicolored LED fan, and that really just dials up the sci-fi and futuristic factor here. I love it, man. This thing looks so cool. So this is the device on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see here I have a battery indicator, and I'll just let you listen to the fan run. It's not very loud. It's just really cool. I'm just holding it really close, but I really like this. Look at that thing. That is so sick. What a awesome design. This thing is just fun to have. I will say it's pretty big, but the nice thing is it's a 10,000 mAh battery, and obviously it is charging my phone. And when you take it off, the fan turns off, everything stops, which is really cool. I'll just show you one more time. Boop, throw that on there. Fan turns on, it's charging. We are good to go. This thing is so sick. And the other thing that comes in the box is a great little USB-C to USB-C charging cable. So if you don't want to use the MagSafe charging, you can do fast charging with the USB-C cable, which is going to give you just much faster charge speeds. All right, the next thing I want to show you, this is probably their most popular product, and this is what I've been seeing all over social and on YouTube. All right, we've got a user manual. This is the Shargeek 100 power bank. I don't need that. This right here is so nice. It's probably one of the most popular power banks I've seen on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. It's a bit viral in my opinion, just because of how unique and well built it is. Not only is this thing completely transparent, so you can see the batteries in here, you can see the different chips, you can see all the internals that make this thing work. But this thing is a beast. Look at the size of this brick. It is no joke, man. This is a massive battery. I really like it. So let's go ahead and peel off the plastic for the first time. I have been waiting to do this, but I needed to get the camera out, so. Whew, look at that. But seriously though, for size, this power bank is freaking massive. And that's not a bad thing. So it's great to carry in your backpack for travel. You know this thing is going to be able to charge a MacBook. It can charge any iPhone or any iPad device. The Shargeek 100 is absolutely insane. But overall, design-wise, it's so unique, and it's such a great looking piece of tech. Like I said, if you are a tech lover like myself, I'm so used to seeing things that are completely closed off, like very minimal designs. I love the transparent design here, being able to see everything. It's just a great design choice, and probably why it's been so popular. But let's take a look at ports available. We have USB-C, we have a USB-A port, we have a USB-in port as well for charging, and then you have a DC in and out port, which is fantastic. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press and hold. And the best thing is this LED screen right here. It gives you all the information about the battery. And again, not that most people care what's happening with their battery, the input, the output, the voltage, or the amperage. Most people don't care about the temperature, but this has it. And I love that. It's got 43% battery life right now, so it shows me the battery indicator. And again, it just adds to the overall design aesthetic where it's futuristic but very retro. This is my favorite looking power bank, hands down, full stop. This thing is beautiful. And of course, they had to include this great yellow and black USB-C charging cable. So again, plugs in there. And now we've got it plugged in. The yellow cable looks great. Let's plug it into the iPhone. All right, we've started charging, and now you can see the output, which again is really, really cool. Most of you probably won't care. I just like having this data. Like, not that it's gonna matter too much to me either. I just enjoy seeing it on the screen. It just adds a very cool element to what I would consider a relatively boring tech accessory. Power banks aren't known to be sexy, but this is cool. I really like it. And here we have it. 2 new power banks from Sharge. These things are hands down my favorite new tech accessories. They look cool. They kind of fit that vibe I've been going for, but the ICEMAG and the fan and the LED, it's one of my favorites. Reminds me of a custom built PC, reminds me a little bit of my life in the 90s. And this right here, this thing is massive. And this right here, it's massive. It is functional. The screen is fantastic. It's going to provide a ton of charge. And this transparent design is a fan favorite. I can see why people have been raving about these power banks, because not only are they well built, highly performant, very functional, they just look cool. And sometimes you buy stuff because it looks cool. This just happens to work really, really well also. So big bonus. And check that out. You can go ahead and go through and change the different settings on this. That's insane. I haven't had a chance to go through and play with the settings, but I'm discovering all of this together with you. So unboxing these products was something special. These things are just really, really cool. But let's talk about the technical details of each power bank. We'll first start with the ICEMAG. I mean, this thing, again, just has such an interesting design element to it. It is marketed as the world's first magnetic power bank with active cooling. Obviously, you can see that here with the LED fan. You could hear it running, which is totally fine. This thing is big. It's really, really interesting though. So the fan is also using that full spectrum dynamic RGB light, which is great. It just cycles through a bunch of colors, adding to that futuristic vibe. This is a 10,000 mAh capacity battery. So you're gonna get a good amount of power out of this. 7.5 watts of max wireless charging. It's MagSafe and it's Qi supported. So that's good to know. And it's also 20 watt max charging with the included USB-C to USB-C cable. So for the most part, you're going to be able to get a good amount of battery out of this with fast charging options. And probably not as important for most people, but if you want to know, the fan rotates at 8,000 RPM, so it offers a ton of cooling. I've never experienced batteries overheating too much, but this will probably never happen with the ICEMAG anyways. And the best thing about it is that the ICEMAG, in my opinion, is really cheap for what you're getting. It's $59.99 on the website right now. I'll drop a discount code if they share one with me, but I think this is cool. It's definitely cheaper than the Apple options and some of the other MagSafe options available on Amazon that all look the same. This is just a unique MagSafe compatible power bank, and I dig it. Now let's talk about the big guy. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the screen on just because I like the way it looks. Even the boot up is very cool. I like having all this information on here. I'm just amazed that not more brands do it. It's not very useful information for the average user, but having it here, it looks cool. Like I keep saying, adds to this futuristic yet retro vibe of the Shargeek 100. But details. This is also marketed as the world's first transparent power bank. I think that's probably true. I mean, I see this everywhere and it's always from Sharge. This is just such a nice and unique design. So you know who's making these now. It is a 25,600 mAh large capacity power bank. You get 100 watts of fast charging, and you can fully recharge this entire power bank in about 90 minutes. This right here is a smart IPS display, and it shows off all of the power supply details, the volts, the wattage, the temperature, the input, and the output of the battery. The other thing that's nice about this, obviously we have all these ports, is it'll support multi-device charging. So you could charge your iPhone, your iPad, a MacBook, which is fantastic. And even though this thing looks and feels pretty big and heavy, it is airline safe. So you can throw it in your backpack and carry it onto the plane. And again, for size reference, this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the Shargeek 100. It's about the same height, but this thing is thick, but that's totally fine. It works fantastic. It looks cool. I will definitely have this in my backpack wherever I go. I also don't have a power bank as large capacity as this, so this is definitely going to be my primary power bank for when I travel, when I go to work. And the Shargeek 100 is going for $209. I think it's currently on sale for 20 bucks off. Normally it's $229, which again is not expensive for something like this. There are pricier power banks on Amazon that don't look as cool, that don't have the same capacity. I think this is a pretty good value. All right, and that is my unboxing and initial impressions of the ICEMAG and the Shargeek 100 from Sharge. I'm pretty happy with these. I'm honestly pretty surprised at the quality of the products based on the price. And from what I've seen all over Instagram and YouTube, these things have gone a little bit viral. I thought they'd be kind of cheap, just viral TikTok products, but these things are really, really premium. It's still very surprising to me. Anyways, if you enjoyed this content, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos just like this. I will catch y'all in the next one.